Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we will learn something about LinkedIn ads, and that is how to give access of your LinkedIn ads campaign manager to another profile. Like I have lot of visitor on my YouTube channel and I have checked lot of comments, and they say like we are not able to provide the LinkedIn's campaign manager access to the another profile. So in today's video I will let you know how to do it and how to successfully assign like multiple kind of access to another LinkedIn profile through your campaign manager. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. Hello guys, welcome back. As you know, today our topic is how to provide your LinkedIn business manager access to some other person. So for doing that, first thing we need have a LinkedIn account. We need to have a LinkedIn account, and then we will able to send the business manager access, like LinkedIn ads business manager access, to somebody else. So as you can see, first thing which you need to do is like as you can see, now we are on our LinkedIn ads campaign manager. So here we can do this stuff like giving the access and other stuff as well. But firstly what we need to do is we need to send a connection request to the person on which you want to give the access. As you can see, when you will open somebody profile, you have a connect option. You can click on it, as I have already like sent the request to this person and he have accepted it, and now we have a connection in LinkedIn, like we are connections in LinkedIn. So now we just need to go to the LinkedIn campaign ad manager, and here you just need to go to the like manage accesses. Like there are a lot of options here: plan, audience, companies, advertise, test, measurements, data, recommendations, assets, account settings. So in the account settings we have an option like advertiser profile, manage access, billing, edit account, URL parameter. So we just need to go to the manage accesses, and once you are on the LinkedIn manage access section, you just need to check option, and the option is called add user. As you can see, we have a add user option here. So you just need to click on the add user option, and here you just need to put the name, like this name, as we have sent the request, like access request, connection request to this LinkedIn profile. So he have accepted our request. Now you just need to add his name, and as you can see, we have different option here. We just need to like click on that, and then we can have that person, and we can give them different like accesses like account manager and other things as well. As I have already give the access, like this person, the access of my ad account. So now once I will click on it, like when in starting I have just add his name and then click here. After that it will be showcased here. As you can see, I have already added there, that's why it's not showing at the add user section. So now we just need to assign the role. As currently I have assigned the role of account manager. You can choose the option as per your convenience. If you want to give them campaign manager access, you can give them. If you want to give them creative manager, you can give them, and if you want to give them only view access, so you can give them the view access. So this is how we do it. Once you will add them here, they will get an email, and then they need to accept the invitation through that mail. Once they will click on the email, they will directly land on this campaign manager like dashboard, and then they have the access of all the things. So this is how we do it. This is how we can add somebody in our LinkedIn ads campaign manager, so that they can have the access and they will create campaign for us and do the optimization and other things through the LinkedIn ads campaign manager. So I think now you understand how to give a business manager like LinkedIn ads campaign manager access to some other profile. So if you have any question, you can directly put on the same on the YouTube comment, so that I will reply your queries. Thank you so much.